Hello everyone, we are going to talk about the exposure lamp character from lithography. The first figure, you can see that this axis is intensity. The arc lamp light, strong label, intensity. Is more powerful light, and this is the distance from anode to cathode, and we can see that the anode intensity is the most small, and increasing intensity until to the cathode. This is the most high intensity point. So we can see the cathode to release electron is most light, most strong intensity point. This is the arc lamp inside data, and every type of lamp, you can see we have the character for the intensity and then the wavelength, and every kind has its own wavelength and the intensity. How much wavelength we have, how much intensity. This shows the character of the lamp. To know the lamp can produce how strong light intensity at which point. An ozone-free lamp, first of all, we got to know that lamp produce ozone below 250 nanometer wavelength. So, if we use this period wavelength, the lamp will produce ozone. Too much ozone density in a sealed space, it will be dangerous, hazard to human body. So in some place, we use the normal lamp, just the wavelength and the intensity, and this is the 250 nanometer point. This period, the length under this period, and produce the ozone. It has the intensity, so it will have produced the ozone in this cell space. That will be dangerous to human body. So we have to install the ventilation to let the ozone exhaust to atmosphere. Avoid danger to the human body. And if we don't need this period of light, the lamp can let this period disappear by making the lamp to avoid ozone producing. So this type of lamp is called ozone-free lamp. Of course, in semiconductor fab, this is the ozone producing always, so we have to install the ventilation to vent to let ozone exhaust to the atmosphere. And the lifetime versus the stability. This is the intensity, and this is the ignition time, lamp using time. Follow the ignition time more and more time. You can see that the normal basic is the green line. We keep the intensity very steady, have the good stability, and slow to decay until to the low intensity, low limit, and we got to replace to a new one lamp. This is green line is the standard curve we need, and the blue line start to use it and follow the ignition time. It suddenly fall down over the low limit of intensity, so we got to renew a new lamp this time. This ignition time, or we call lap time, just have the normal lamp, so this lap time is too short. That's we don't need. And you can see that following the ignition time increasing, the intensity is not stable. High low, it's not stable. We have this curve has a bad stability. This type of lamp we don't want to need to install our equipment. So the long trap to see the character, to decide which kind of lamp you want. It is important. Okay, that's all. See you next time.